Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing amazing. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today, we're gonna be talking about the one affirmation that absolutely changed my life forever. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You're also more than welcome to join my members only YouTube program. You'll be getting 4 exclusive videos per month where I'll be offering collective coaching. If you have any questions for me, this is your chance. You'll be guided through your situation in depth by me and be supported by a like-minded community within a safe space. Hundreds of people's lives have already been changed by becoming a member. The thing is, I found myself to channel the exact answer that each baddie needs. Come to find out, that was exactly what they needed to hear. They followed my instructions that were tailored specifically to them, and bam, they got their manifestation instantly. We go so much deeper into the law of assumption by learning from specific examples. So if my baddies didn't have a question that week, they still learn life-changing information. It would literally be a no-brainer to invest in yourself and join, so the link will be in the description box down below. If members only is not available in your country or the link simply does not work, join through the Patreon link down below. It is the exact same program. This one affirmation absolutely changed my life forever. I have been knowing about this affirmation since 2020. I've been doing it here and there, along with trying hundreds of different umbrella affirmations, and this is the one that I kept coming back to, and it's the one that gave me the most results. It just blew everything else out of the water. Anytime I turn back to saying this affirmation, my life drastically changes in more ways than one. And the good thing about it is that it is a blanket affirmation, so it literally takes care of every category in your life that you would like to manifest. You might have seen me talking about this affirmation on my TikTok. Literally, if you go down and read the comments, this affirmation has changed so many people's lives, from people getting jobs, from people getting into relationships, from people moving to the country that they want to move to, from people changing their appearance, every single thing, just by saying this one affirmation and forgetting about everything else. The affirmation is, everything is happening best case scenario for me. I remembered this affirmation and began saying it the day of moving from New York to travel for 2.5 months, and I have been saying it every single day ever since. The first thing that happened was my TikTok absolutely blew up. I gained like 20k followers within like a couple of weeks. All of the little problems that I faced while traveling literally disappeared, and I felt like I was being helped. I felt like there was no issues anywhere. When I was packing, when I was, giving the keys away to the person that now is at my New York apartment, when I was getting to the airport, when I was traveling direct to Greece, when I was meeting my boyfriend, we were doing LDR, we did not face issues at all. And when we did, like, the biggest one was I got food poisoning for 24 hours in Albania. I just kept on repeating, everything is happening best case scenario for me, and the issue went away. Not only that, I was getting more opportunities. We found amazing places that I couldn't even dream of finding on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram. I just had the most amazing time, made the most amazing memories, and everything genuinely was happening best case scenario for me and my partner. This affirmation is absolutely ideal for anyone who is distracted or is leading a very busy lifestyle. When I was traveling for 2.5 months, I did not have time to do all of these manifesting routines. So whenever I had the time and I wasn't thinking about anything or I wasn't preoccupied with anything, all I said was everything is happening best case scenario for me whenever I felt like it. Things literally started working out for me in the best way possible. So just like I said on my TikTok, I want you to drop absolutely every single manifesting routine that you have been doing, and I want you to try this for 3 days. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and whenever you are not preoccupied with anything and you're just doing mundane tasks, walking, washing the dishes, buying food, getting to work, whatever it is, whenever you are bored, I want you to repeat, either in your head or out loud, preferably out loud, everything is happening best case scenario for me. And I want you to say it with such happiness, with such gratitude, with such impact and determination, because you know that everything really is happening best case scenario for you. For you. Anytime unfavorable circumstances happened in my life, I would just say everything is happening best case scenario, and literally looking back, every single thing that I did not like that happened to me in the moment literally was leading me to my manifestation. So I want you to say this even if you are facing unfavorable circumstances. Know that everything, every single thing is happening best case scenario for you, and I want you to truly believe it. Please let me know how your life changes, because I'm telling you, this affirmation is something serious. Thank you everyone who has been commenting, liking, and subscribing. I love absolutely every single one of you. I'm so excited for my channel to keep growing and expanding with you guys as we grow and expand together in our knowledge of the law of assumption. I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.